Right, let's try this one. So what have we got here? I've got the bottle, I've got an ordinary glass bottle, and it is half filled with cold water, really cold water from the tap, half filled. Now there's the top for this bottle, that screws on there quite nicely, but I've punctured a hole in it, can you see that? I used a compass and then some scissors or a screwdriver to sort of make a hole that was the same diameter as my straw here. So I've got a straw and I've got a hole. So I can push my straw into the hole all the way through, so it pokes out a little at the top like that. Then I want to seal that. I'm going to seal it with this plasticine so that no air can escape around the sides of the straw, like this. Then to make doubly sure, I've got some tape which I'm going to seal over the end of the straw, but it's got a tiny hole in that I've pinpricked with a pencil. You can use a compass. So, and I've sealed that down like that. So the end result is that air can go through that tiny, tiny little hole there, but nowhere else. And I'm going to put this into my bottle with the cold water in, and the straw should poke down below the level of the water by about 4 centimetres or something like that. So that's what I've got. Okay, now I need some hot water, so let's get it. So I've got some hot water. It has boiled, but it's cooled down since then. We're not playing with boiling water. It is very hot, but not hot enough to scald you. So we don't want to be pouring really hot water everywhere and splashing it. But I've got this to make sure I don't make a mess. I'm going to put my cold water with my straw, with my hole, into another container just a little bit larger, so I can pour hot water onto the bottle. Not boiling water, because that could even crack it. So hot water, let's see what happens. Here we go, look at that. Just going to do it again. Yay! Fountain. If I'd made the hole small, it may have been a bigger fountain. But you get the idea. If you've got this stuff, give it a go. Otherwise, you're going to explain this.